On today's episode, we are going to make pork chops, and for the herbs, we are going to have rosemary and oregano. Then we have, of course, our pork chops over here. For the spices, we are going to use black pepper. We have paprika, beef masala. We have BBQ sauce, soy sauce, honey, salt, and lemon, and of course, oil. So let's do this. So I have salt over here for seasoning. This goes down to your taste buds. Then we have paprika, black pepper. I will just have maybe a quarter spoon. Beef masala, half a spoon. Then we go down with the sauce, soy sauce. And I have BBQ sauce, 2 spoons, 2.5. Then we have honey, 2.5 spoons. Wow. So I'll put this in the fridge for about an hour, then bake it in the oven.